Take a moment to check out the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Wrangler JK brings open-air freedom, comfort, convenience, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and can-do performance on all your off-road adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It's the rugged, can-do trail machine that's comfortable and connected. The Wrangler JK.